Have you ever wondered, what is Denji's ultimate goal other than touching big melons? Well, his ultimate goal is to find a sense of belonging and to form meaningful connections with others. He wants to create a family that he can rely on and protect. You see, Denji's upbringing was fraught with trauma and abandonment. His father left him with a large debt to pay, and he was forced to work as a devil hunter to pay it off. He was used as a tool by others, and he never had anyone he could truly call family. But, after merging with Pachida, Denji begins to form bonds with others. Through his journey of fighting devils and protecting others, Denji begins to realize that he wants to create a family of his own and wants to protect those he cares about.